Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install some games in a Google Play Store, but you can't seem to find them in Google Play Store of your Samsung Galaxy A20s. And to do this, first let's try to download some games like Call of Duty. But as you can see, it's not visible here, or rather you can't even click on it. And to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, open the settings, locate family, select parental controls. Here either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games, enter the PIN code and increase PG to 18 or 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and if you go back, Call of Duty should be visible on the top, and that goes with almost all games that are available for this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.